Have you ever thought that your endless crawling through YouTube Shorts could actually put money into your pocket? Well, it's time to turn those short entertaining videos into a source of income in this video. We are about to reveal an exciting opportunity that allows you to earn $4 for each YouTube Shorts you watch. It's a simple and enjoyable way to make money online, as we explain how you can start making $4 for each YouTube Shorts you watch. Let's dive in and monetize your YouTube addiction by opening the YouTube platform. There are two avenues to embark upon this quest. The first is to employ the search bar and type in the captivating keyword shorts. Alternatively, you can navigate to the left-hand side of YouTube website and eagerly click on the shorts icon. Upon landing on this page, you'll be greeted by an impressive sight, a vast and ever-expanding shorts library. Over millions of videos serve as money-making powerhouses after research, the most popular niches that promise to shower you with a wealth of earnings. The first treasure trove of a niche you want to explore is the enchanting world of ASMR videos. To delve into this realm, you will need to execute a simple search by entering Shorts plus ASMR in the YouTube search bar. This will unveil a rich selection of short videos nestled within the ASMR niche. These videos, known for their soothing and captivating nature, and attract a vast audience, as is evident by the videos amassing millions of views. Our second journey through the realm of profit leads us to the captivating genre of unboxing videos. To become a part of this genre, all you need to do is type Shorts plus unboxing into the YouTube search bar. In this genre, content creators reveal and present new products, often featuring the unboxing of the latest guest gadgets, like smartphones and laptops. The anticipation that come with unboxing such items appeal to audiences, bending these videos highly popular. The next step is to harness the power of popular YouTube channels. Begin by selecting one of the widely viewed videos and then navigate to the creator's channel. You'll notice that some of these channels boast an impressive subscriber count, sometimes in the millions. To proceed, click on the Short tab within the channel, then select Popular. Among all the short videos, choose the most popular one, and then click on the inviting share option. And there you go, you'll now have possession of link. In the next segment of your journey, we will unveil a transformative magic that can turn this Shorts link into a money-making instrument. Wait a minute. Have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Now let's get back to the video. Here we will share the exciting payout rates. That a minimum payout threshold stands at near $4, which means that you can start reaping the rewards in no time. If individuals from the enchanting land of United States click on this Shorts link, your earnings receive a boost of $12. Meanwhile, those residing in India, the land of opportunities, can elevate your income by $4 with your clicks. As for the adventurous souls in Philippines, their interactions with your link contribute an impressive $4 to your earnings. Now the moment has arrived to introduce you to the portal we've been waiting for with great anticipation. It's none other than ShrinkEarn.com. Here's how it works. Step 1. Simply paste your money link into the designated box with a quick click of the button. Your money link is primed and ready to be your ticket to earn income. All you have to do is to copy this link and preserve it for your upcoming journey. Get ready to unlock the full potential of ShrinkEarn.com. Let's discuss practical ways to share it and increase your earnings. Let's start by going to Google and search for ASMR Tingles. Click on the ASMR Forums website and create a post. You can say something like, "Check out this new satisfying ASMR video," and paste your money link with people who visit this forum. May click on your link and you will earn money. Another method is to find ASMR communities on WhatsApp. Look for public groups related to ASMR, join these groups, and create posts with your money link. Be sure to share your link in each post. Explore different niches. Remember, it's not just ASMR where you can earn. There are various popular niches out there. By following these simple steps, you can maximize your earnings by sharing your money link with the right audience. And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be updated with our new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.